Got him. Oh, shoot. Nice. Looks like a lovely fat brown. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he's fighting. Oh. Right, you can get out of there. Oh, oh boy. It's really fighting. Oh, not quite. Oh. 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 Under my legs and snap. Yep. Finally. Oof. I think there's another, oh, there was another one there too. Not have this one go between my legs like last time. Here we go. Finally, crew, got one to the bank. As you've seen, I had one go through my legs and snap me off. I had another one take 3 times. Missed it twice and then it took a 3rd time and hooked him and the hook pulled. I managed to hook a few logs today too, hidden under the water. But I've finally got a lovely hen fish, 3.5 pound. I'll show you her. Here she is. Lovely brownie. Oh, good brown. Hey, good brown, good brown. Right, here's the fish, and right in the shallows up here. Yep. He wasn't shy and coming across to get that. Oh no, where's he going? See how shallow he was by the indicator there. It was just... Oh, hey, well, I landed it, which is great. Another 4 pound hen, a hen fish. Really fat, great condition. Beautiful. Oh, wasn't sure if it was a fish actually. Oh. Oh no, it might be a young jack. Young jack. Got it wrong. See his little hook there? I know hens do get a bit of a hook too, but the jaw's too long to be a hen fish, so yeah. Look at that for a fish. That's not bad, is it? He's a good brown, that one. Look at the beautiful colours on that. I'm in again. Hey. This is fish of the day, this one. It's a big fish, or biggest fish, I think. Well, perhaps not. Still, brown's a brown. I've lost count. 7, maybe. Yeah. Yep, got him. Another, I don't know, 3.5, 4 pound fish. But it's getting later in the day now, but I'm seeing them and they seem to be on the mark. Oh, it's the session done. I can't recall how many fish, 8 maybe. A good wee session. So nice to come to this river. Great session. So I hope you all enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll see you somewhere on the water. Catch us.